Choosing the right camping kettle can enhance your outdoor experience. There are various options available, each with unique features. Some kettles are lightweight, perfect for backpacking. Others are more robust, suitable for car camping. Materials like stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium offer different benefits.
Product number 1. Bulin Camping Kettle. 2.2-liter large portable stovetop tea kettle, fast-heating boiling hot water for open-fire lightweight coffee pot with anti-scald handle and carry bag for outdoor hiking picnic travel. Discover the Bulin Camping Kettle, perfect for outdoor adventures. Boiling water quickly, it's ideal for coffee and tea. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry. The anti-scald handle ensures safety while handling. Comes with a convenient carry bag for effortless transport. Enjoy your hiking, picnic, or travel with this reliable kettle. What a fantastic kettle for camping trips. The Bulin Camping Kettle heats water quickly on open fires. Its 2.2-liter capacity is perfect for group outings. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Anti-scald handle ensures safe use. Comes with a convenient carry bag for transport. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy coffee and tea. Reliable and efficient for hiking, picnics, and travel. Boils water fast, making it great for any adventure. Sturdy construction promises durability. Simple to use with excellent performance. Highly recommend for anyone who loves outdoor activities.
Product number 2. Red Camp 0.8-liter Mini Outdoor Camping Kettle. Aluminum water pot with carrying bag. Compact, lightweight tea kettle. Perfect for outdoor adventures, the Red Camp 0.8-liter Mini Camping Kettle is a must-have for nature lovers. Made from durable aluminum, this kettle ensures quick heating and long-lasting performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your backpack. Comes with a convenient carrying bag for added portability. Ideal for brewing tea or boiling water during camping trips. Enjoy a warm drink anywhere with ease. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this kettle is compact and lightweight. It fits easily into backpacks, saving space and reducing weight. Boiling water quickly is a breeze, perfect for tea or instant meals. Made from durable aluminum, it withstands outdoor conditions effortlessly. Enjoy easy carrying with the included sturdy bag.
Product number 3. Stanley Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press. Discover the joy of brewing and boiling with the Stanley Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press. This 32-ounce marvel simplifies your outdoor adventures, perfect for coffee lovers and camping enthusiasts alike. Durable stainless steel ensures longevity and reliability. Easy to use and clean, making it a must-have in your gear. Enjoy fresh, flavorful coffee wherever you are. Versatile design allows boiling and brewing in one device. Save space. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Built to last. Double wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot or cold longer. Enjoy anytime. Easy to clean. Simplifies maintenance and enhances user experience. Compact and portable. Perfect for camping or travel adventures.
Product number 4. Stansport Enamel Percolator Coffee Pot, 8 cups, blue, 10343. Height 9.5 inches, width 7.0 inches, length 7.0 inches, weight 1.5 pounds. The Stansport Enamel Percolator Coffee Pot brings charm to your kitchen with its classic blue design. Perfect for camping trips or cozy mornings at home, it brews up to 8 cups of delicious coffee. Durable enamel construction ensures long-lasting use and easy cleaning. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Enjoy the rich aroma and taste of freshly brewed coffee with this reliable percolator. Enjoy your camping mornings with Stansport Enamel Percolator Coffee Pot. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, its 8-cup capacity serves family or friends. Durable enamel coating ensures long-lasting use. Simple and easy to clean after each use. Classic blue design adds style to any kitchen or campsite.
Product number 5. Fire Maple and Tark D Portable 1-liter Lightweight Stainless Steel Camping Kettle. Durable and portable camp teapot. Ideal for bushcraft and outdoor campfire use. Experience the joy of outdoor brewing with the Fire Maple Antarctic portable camping kettle. Crafted from lightweight stainless steel, this kettle is both durable and easy to carry. Perfect for bushcraft enthusiasts, it heats quickly over a campfire. With a 1-liter capacity, enjoy hot tea or coffee in the great outdoors. Ideal for camping trips, its robust design ensures long-lasting use. Compact design for effortless packing in backpacks and gear bags, perfect for outdoor adventures. High-quality stainless steel ensures long-lasting durability and reliability, built to withstand the elements. Lightweight structure allows easy carrying without extra burden, ideal for long hikes. Efficient heating speeds up boiling time, saving energy and fuel. Enjoy quick, hot tea anywhere. Versatile use for tea, coffee, and more on campfires. Essential for bushcraft enthusiasts.